Hey everyone, Becky Bridgham, and I'm here to give you a quick tip, quick family solution that I believe every single household needs. So the number one question that I get from my customers and my friends are for product solutions. I'm going to share a fantastic one with you today. So what I have here is our essential carry-all. It's a 31 bag. It's a Hostess exclusive. It's only $30 with a party. And a party sometimes we think is a little daunting, like, oh, do I have to clean my house? Do I have to have an online event? Party is just a collection of orders. So if you have a couple friends who love 31, like who doesn't love 31, that you want to group some orders together, that's a party. If you have someone that you can have, come over and have a party, that's even better because that's fun and that's connection. But let me tell you a little story about why I feel like every family needs a first aid kit and why this bag is fantastic for it. So I don't know about you, but in our family, we have had medicine and Band-Aids and ace bandages and knee braces everywhere, right? They're in the kitchen drawers, they're in the bathroom cabinet, they're in the linen closet, they're some in the car, like they're all over, which is fine when you just need a Band-Aid for when somebody scrapes their knee out on their bike, right? Like, oh, we'll just grab it from the kitchen drawer, we'll run upstairs and get it from the bathroom. It's not a big deal. But I'll tell you a story. A couple years ago, we're just having a normal family day, family evening, and my littlest runs in the house with her arm looking like a spaghetti noodle. It literally was snapped in half and was like, oh, so gross, so gross. So in that moment, when your child has broken their arm, you don't want to have to think, where are the ace bandages? Are they upstairs in the bathroom? Are they in the kitchen cabinet? Are they in the pantry? Are they, who knows? Like, you don't have time to think. And so it was after that event, we got her, splinted up and took her to the emergency room, and she had a cast for 8 weeks. But after that event, the one thing I thought is, I want all of our medical supplies in one spot. Like, I'll keep a Band-Aid in my purse, that's not a big deal. But I want, if there's an emergency, I can grab a bag. Or I can say, hey, child, go grab that bag, we need it right now. And everyone in the family knows where it is for those events that you can't plan for. And so, whether it's this 31 bag or another 31 bag, ours are fantastic because they have so many spots to stay organized. So I'll give you a little peek into ours. We have your basic first aid kit with Band-Aids and Neosporin, but then we also have, a couple bottles of water for rinsing out wounds, or the ace bandage, the bee sting ointment. Everything is in one spot. And the thing that I love about this bag particularly is that it has a interior that's wipeable. It's got a ton of different pockets on the outside here for quick and grab. So this is what I put out here. Band-Aids. Like, where are the Band-Aids? Well, they're in the first aid kit in the front pocket. Everybody knows exactly where they are so that the kids can get their own Band-Aids when they need a Band-Aid. So this is our essential carry-all. Again, I said it's a Hostess exclusive. But I would urge you, whether you get this bag, oh, another thing, look, we put our name on it. So we have amazing embroidery options at 31. So I put our family name on it. So not only can we keep it accessible, like I have ours downstairs in the kitchen in the pantry, which might sound crazy, but the chances are most accidents are gonna happen in the kitchen, in the backyard, in the front yard, somewhere, in the vicinity of the kitchen, because the kitchen is the heart of the home. So it's small and portable enough that I just stick it in our pantry and everybody knows where it is. But it's also small and portable enough that if we want to go camping, we just bring the bag. If we're going to go on a long road trip, it's small and simple enough that we can just stick it in the back of the car with all the other luggage, and we are prepared no matter what. So I'd urge you to make sure that your family has an emergency kit. And if you want a really cute bag to put it in, check out 31, because we got awesome bags.